So now what I'm going to do is I am going to close everything I have open. I'm just going to leave the map, and I'm going to start using the group of selection tools that I have to better address questions. So there are several ways to select the different features. Okay, so I will clear first the selection that I already have, and I will turn off the hillsides and turn on roads. Okay, so I have roads, and this is a layer that is quite dense. So I want to create a condition where I only see highways. Okay, and so in this case, if I go to data engineering, add all fields, and check on the field highway, I will open the bar chart and check what are the different classes that I have. But one of the classes that I might be interested in is primary roads. So if I click, they will be selected. So I will close data engineering. Another way to do it, I will clear the selection, is select by attribute. So if I click on this selection tool, I will have this window and I can perform a new selection. I can use the field highway and then say that within the field highway, everything that is equal to primary roads is what I want to see. So I click apply and the selection tool will perform the query. So I will close this window and I will have the same result. Now, once I do this, I can use this selection to generate a new layer. So I simply have to right click on top of the layer and then go to data and export features. So the window will open and is telling me right here that the input features is roads, but the output features, that is what I'm going to be creating now, will be saved in this geodatabase, which is the geodatabase that belongs to the project, and that the name, instead of being roads export features, I will change it for primary roads. And then I will click OK. So the layer is added right here, but also I have the layer under the geodatabase, primary roads. Here it is.